Our plant is a part of the Samara Pharmaceuticals production holding. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief production engineer for 10 years, and I know all the equipment at the plant well. I made the selection of new equipment myself, agreeing with the management before buying it. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. In addition to the basic equipment, there was a need to replace consumables, which blunt and lose their properties over time of constant use. The head of production asked to purchase new daters, or numerators for the packaging and shipping department. Daters, a type of pharmaceutical marking equipment that is used to put various ways of information about the date of manufacture and expiration date on the pharmaceutical packaging of goods. Numerators, a type of pharmaceutical equipment that is used to apply digital and text data on the number of the product batch, release date and expiration date on the packaging of finished drugs. I am used to doing my job with quality and working only with specialists. I approached the question of choosing daters and numerators seriously. To search for them, I did not use the internet, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were many daters, numerators, and letters for them at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. Numerals are metal letters, and numbers used to print batch number, and the date of manufacture, and use of pharmaceutical and cosmetic products. I chose 3 manufacturers of daters and numerators, examined their assortment, took contacts from representatives. It was necessary to make a complete list of the necessary devices, and buy them from one manufacturer. Having returned to the enterprise, I coordinated the list of necessary daters and numerators with the head of production, and began to communicate by telephone with representatives of enterprises. A company from Germany agreed to supply daters, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the EU, as I did not have a visa, and the process of obtaining one would have taken at least 3 months. One company from China sent me a catalog of products in the mail. I chose for a long time, but I could not understand the presented range of devices, their characteristics and features. A third manufacturer from Novosibirsk listened to me and told me that he could deliver the order. I chose only after 10 months, citing the large amount of work. I had to refuse, since the modernization must be done in the shortest possible time. The manager of the company listened to me, asked a few clarifying questions about the required letters, their size, the amount of stamping. I was pleased with his professional and businesslike approach. After preliminary consultation, we made a list of daters and numbers, and the specialist sent it to me by email. He indicated that the order would be delivered within a month. Such a short delivery time was a great way out for me. We made a contract for delivery of 10 daters and 5 numbers for various purposes, and in a month I received the desired amount of expiration date stamping equipment. I plan to contact the manager of this company for advice and purchase of a blistering machine for pills. I am sure that he will pick up a quality technique for me. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such specialists work to make us continue to think so.